So I just stumbled upon this initiative called DigitalPlat FreeDomain that offers free domain names. Can you believe it? No fees at all.
Wait, seriously. Free domain names, that sounds incredible, but like what's the catch?
That's exactly what I thought. They claim there are no strings attached, just a mission to make the web more accessible.
Interesting. But isn't there a risk of too many free domains leading to spam or abuse?
Exactly, they do mention a commitment to safety and an abuse reporting system, which is reassuring, but still.
Right, that's a good point. I wonder how effective that system really is. Can they handle everything?
I'm not sure how robust it is, but they have a process for checking reports, which can vary in response time.
So let's say I want to register one. What domain extensions do they offer?
They have dpdns.org, uskg, qzzio, and xxkg. It seems like a unique mix.
Those are pretty unconventional. I wonder how they choose which extensions to offer.
Good question. They mention more extensions coming soon, so maybe they're testing demand.
That's fair, but I wonder if these extensions will hold any value or credibility long term.
Yeah, the value of a domain is often tied to its extension. Those might not have the same weight as com or org.
Exactly. So, do you think people would really use these for serious projects?
Well, it could be great for personal projects or experiments, but businesses might hesitate.
That makes sense. And the idea of promoting accessibility is nice, but there's a fine line.
Right, they emphasize that cost shouldn't be a barrier, which I totally get. But what about quality?
Quality is crucial. The last thing we need is a surge of poorly maintained sites.
Totally, and while they have over 350,000 domains already registered, that might dilute quality.
True, and could lead to more challenges in terms of governance and support.
Exactly, plus, being a nonprofit might limit their resources to actually manage everything.
Right, and how sustainable is their model? They do ask for donations to keep it running.
True, a donation model could be effective, but it's a gamble on community support.
It's like crowdfunding, but for domain services. Will people really chip in?
You have to wonder, it's dependent on people feeling a genuine need for free domains.
I wonder how they gauge that need. Do they have any feedback loop with users?
They encourage community involvement through discussion platforms, which is a good step.
That's hopeful. Engagement could help them fine-tune what users want.
Exactly, it could create a more tailored experience, but it also requires their active listening.
And if they manage it well, it could set a precedent for other initiatives.
Right? Imagine if this model expanded to other tech services or platforms.
That could be revolutionary, but it also makes you think about the implications of free.
Totally, like if it's free, how do they maintain quality control or prevent misuse?
Exactly. Plus, what happens if someone starts using their free domain for harmful purposes?
That's a huge concern. They'll need strict guidelines to avoid abuse while promoting freedom.
It's a delicate balance for sure. So, what do you think the future holds for free domain?
I think it has potential if they can navigate these challenges effectively, but it's a risk.
Agreed. It's like walking a tightrope between accessibility and responsibility.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see if they can keep the community engaged and safe.
And if they can prove that free can still mean quality and trust.
Exactly, so it leaves us wondering, could this model change how we see digital ownership?
For sure, it challenges the traditional norms around domain registration.
I love that it sparks this conversation about what it means to have a digital identity.
Right? It's about more than just a domain. It's about access and opportunity.
Exactly, so what if we viewed digital identities as fundamental rights?
That would be a game changer. Imagine the possibilities if everyone had access.